how to rotate text in Photopea. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be putting you through how you can rotate text in Photopea. The first step is to log in into your Photopea account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you'll be asked to select a new project or to drop files. Select the one that works for you. For me, I would select a new project and a template, and once you've selected that, you'll be brought to the editor's page. On this page, you can now go ahead and work on your templates to suit your desires. Now the next step is to select the text that you would like to rotate. All right, you can decide to select the text, or you can just decide to type out the text. Okay, so for me, to type out text, move to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons such as the move to the lasso select etc. Scroll down until you can see the type tool. Once you see the type tool, click on it and then click on type tool. And then once you've clicked on the type tool, go ahead and tap on any place in the canvas just like this. Just tap on it. The option of typing will be displayed. Then you can now type out what you intend typing. All right, so once this is done, the next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see some icons. But before then, ensure you highlight what you've just typed out. Once you've highlighted it, let me type it out again, sorry. Then you highlight it. Now once you've highlighted it, go to the top part of the screen where you can see some options such as file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, etc. And then go ahead and click on this edit tab. Once you click on the edit, a box will be displayed. In the box, scroll down till you see the transform option. All right, transform is located below free transform and above auto align. So you've selected it, in the box displayed you can see the option rotate by 90 degrees, rotate 180 degrees. Just select how much you want to rotate it and then you can see the text rotating already. All right, you can select for 90 degrees, you can select for 80 degrees. You can decide to flip it horizontally or vertically. Just edit it the way you want. So this is basically how you can rotate text in Photopea. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.